Welcome, crafty friends. This is Catherine with aMotleyArt.com, and I would like to talk about 2020 crafty goals. My 2020 crafty goals this year is to use one paper pad from my stash each month. So I'm going to include 6x6 pads, 12x12 pads, and 12x12 paper packs that often have fewer sheets of paper but also come with stickers and sometimes other pieces of ephemera or chipboard. One of these types of packs that I want to show is right here, the Summer Daydreams. This is one that I would like to go ahead and use this year. And it comes with a couple of sheets of stickers. My second crafty goal is to finish some projects that I have sitting in my craft area. Last year I had started using one paper pad by Momenta that had 6 12x12 pattern papers, 2 sticker sheets, a page of die cuts, 4 chipboard pieces, and some tags. The first project that I made with it was this photo folio that I'm showing you right here that is 4¼ by 5½. And I had completed this photo folio earlier in the year, but then I still had all this leftover paper that I needed to do something else with. So what I decided to do was to create greeting cards with the rest of my scraps. So I used that chipboard piece that came with the pack. I put a magnet on it so it would hold that inside flap. I did add in several places areas that you can tuck a photo behind, and this particular area I put on there one of the tags that had an area for you to write on, so you could put the year that this birthday party was from. I made 20 greeting cards from this pack. I did not use really any photo sketches. I did do several of the same type of card. I really tried to highlight the paper in these photo cards. I did try to keep them all with a bit of a birthday theme because I thought that made the most sense for most of the pattern paper. I really like how these cards came out and the fact that I was able to get 20 out of half of the paper pack. I would love to know what are some of your crafty goals for 2020. Please comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can click on the bell for notifications. I'm going to be filming as I create the different items from each paper pad, and then at the end of the week I'm going to try to show what I've done so far. And then at the end of the month, I'm going to show everything that I have made with that paper pad. Let's make 2020 a very crafty year. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.